How did ancient Indian sages accurately predict total solar and lunar eclipses thousands of years before the invention of modern telescopes or computers? As the sun vanishes behind the moon here, the sheer accuracy of their math remains striking. The mechanism behind this precision is a concept called Vade. The word stems from the Sanskrit root vid, meaning to pierce. In astronomy, Vade is the act of piercing or observing a celestial body directly along a line of sight. These calculations were built on a rigorous, evidence-based science. Their methods demanded daily, physical observation of the sky to verify every mathematical claim. Many people recognize the Jantar Mantar in Delhi or Jaipur as a public landmark. Looking at this massive structure, we see an immense observatory built explicitly for tracking the cosmos. To understand how ancient astronomers predicted eclipses, we first have to see how they mapped the invisible universe using nothing but geometry and stone. Before you can track a planet, you have to create a map of the sky, dividing it up exactly like geographers divide the Earth, with latitude and longitude. This diagram shows how ancient astronomers modeled the universe, a giant celestial sphere called the Kagol, with Earth at the center. Projecting Earth's equator outward creates the Nadivrita, the celestial equator. This bright horizontal line splits the universe in half. With the equator established, you measure a body's travel north or south. This is Kranti, or declination. Watch the glowing point move vertically from the central axis. Crucially, when the sun rests exactly on the Nadivrita, its Kranti drops to exactly 0. Mastering this invisible geometric grid was the absolute prerequisite for any ancient astronomer. Without it, tracking planetary movements or predicting a solar eclipse would be mathematically impossible. So, how did they physically measure these abstract lines in the sky without modern lenses? The guiding principle for scholars like Aryabhata and Brahmagupta was strict. Mathematical calculations had to match real-world visual observations. To achieve that standard, they built highly specialized instruments called yantras. The most foundational tool in their kit was the Shanku yantra. By precisely measuring the shadows cast by a simple vertical cone, astronomers could determine exact time, geographical location, and direction. From simple shadows, they scaled up to massive stone structures. This is the Mishra yantra in Delhi. Its complex heart-shaped arcs and staircases were designed to track celestial shadows and calculate multiple astronomical phenomena at once. Taking a look at the lower image here, the Dakshinotter Bithi yantra represents another leap in precision. Its graduated, curved scale and stepped walls allowed astronomers to transmeridian altitudes with high accuracy. But not all instruments were massive stone buildings. The intricate brass astrolabe at the top right of this page is the Yantra Raj, literally the king of instruments. It was portable and capable of measuring almost any celestial event in the sky. Through these instruments, ancient astronomers turned abstract geometric theories into observable, testable data. Let's quickly review the core concepts. We started with Vade, the act of celestial observation. We mapped the universe using the Kagol and the Nadivrita equator, and we explored the physical yantras built to measure it all. Predicting eclipses centuries in advance came from combining this rigorous geometry with highly specialized instrumentation. Ancient Indian astronomy was highly practical, deeply physical, and rooted in evidence-based science. As the sunlight catches the detailed engravings here, we can see the true legacy of these early scientists. What other ancient scientific mysteries or ancient tools do you want us to explore next? Let us know down in the comments.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो और इससे कुछ नया सीखने को मिला हो, तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और कमेंट करके बताइए कि अगला वीडियो किस विषय पर चाहते हैं। ऐसे ही शानदार शैक्षिक वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं। धन्यवाद, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।